Welcome. If you're looking to get the most out of your Pinterest experience and see ads that actually match your interests, enabling ad personalization using site info is a smart move. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on this feature in the Pinterest app, step by step, so you can enjoy a more tailored browsing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the personalization settings. Next, head over to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you to your main profile page, where you can see all your saved pins, boards, and account details. Now look for the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or 3 dots, typically found in the upper right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Ads Personalization. Here, you'll see an option called Use Info from sites you visit. This is the setting that allows Pinterest to use information from the websites you visit to personalize the ads you see on the platform. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When you do this, Pinterest will start using your browsing activity from other sites to show you more relevant ads, making your feed more interesting and useful to you. That's it! You've now enabled ad personalization using site info on Pinterest. This small change can make a big difference in the types of ads you encounter, helping you discover products, ideas, and inspiration that truly match your interests. If you ever want to adjust this setting, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch off at any time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Pinterest tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.